There is something magical about lemons. Bright, vibrant, and bursting with sunshine. One squeeze and they awaken everything they touch. But today, we are not just squeezing lemons, we are transforming them. Taking something tart, bold, and unapologetic and turning it into pure gold. Lemon curd. Smooth, silky, and so luxuriously rich, it feels like a secret passed down through generations. But here's the best part, making it from scratch is easier than you think. And once you do, you'll never settle for store bought again. It all starts with the zest, the most fragrant part of the lemon, holding all those essential oils ready to infuse every bite with pure citrus bliss. Then comes in the juice, fresh, tangy, and full of life. No bottled substitutes here, only nature's finest. Now, let's talk eggs. They are the unsung heroes of this recipe, working behind the scenes to give our curd the silky, smooth texture. And then there is butter. Oh, the butter. Or margarine. The moment it melts into the curd, everything changes. It goes from simple to divine. As the mixture slowly thickens, something mesmerizing happens. The way it clings to the back of the spoon, the way it glows in the light, this is where patience pays off. Low and slow, we let time do its work. Stirring gently, watching as the transformation unfolds before our eyes. Slowly, the magic is happening. The texture is changing, once thin and runny, now velvety and smooth. Every gentle stir pulls everything together, creating something rich and luscious. The steam rises, carrying the bright citrus aroma. It's subtle at first, but then it fills the kitchen, fresh, warm, and comforting. This is the part where patience rewards you. It's tempting to rush, to crank up the heat, but good things take time. Low and slow, that's the secret to getting the perfect glossy finish. A few more stirs and we are almost there. Can you see it? The transformation? It's happening right before our eyes. There's something about stirring a pot like this that feels familiar, like those quiet moments in the kitchen with a loved one, waiting for a sauce to thicken or a stew to simmer just right. Maybe it reminds you of the first time you tried making something from scratch, the way cooking teaches patience, the way it feels like a little act of love in every star. At this point, I have to ask, are you a taste as you go kind of person, or do you wait until the very end for that first spoonful? Drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. Now, imagine this, swirled into yogurt, dolloped onto pancakes, layered into cakes, or simply eaten by the spoonful when no one is watching. That's the beauty of homemade. There are no rules, just endless possibilities. And now that you know the secret, why keep it to yourself? Share it with someone who loves a good homemade treat. Repost it, comment, and let me know what's the first thing that you would do with a jar of this golden goodness. Because once you taste this, there's no going back. This is the kind of recipe that stays with you forever. The kind that makes a kitchen feel like home. So, the $1,000,000 question is, how ready are you to make your own sunshine?